When it comes to planning your retirement in today's times, many are wondering if it will ever become a reality. With today's low-digit yields, a slow-growth economy, and an increasing life expectancy, many people are concerned about whether they will have enough money to retire and how long it will last them. For several generations of Americans, the traditional three-legged stool of Social Security, personal savings, and private pensions was the key to a successful retirement plan. But with the future of Social Security and Medicaid in question, pensions are shifting to benefits such as 401ks and IRA, and personal savings at an all-time low in America. This traditional model has collapsed. In today's economy, new strategies and techniques are required. A successful retirement is still possible. With smart planning and a trusted financial professional from HGI, your dreams of financial independence can become a reality. Contact an HGI financial professional today and conquer your future.